Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about the hyperthyroidism in pregnancy. As you know, due to the overactivity of thyroid hormone, a hyperthyroid pregnant women may constantly feel a sense of hot feeling. That means always feeling sensation as if burning, or a very hot feeling with a excessive sweating is there, uncontrolled sweating, unreasonable vomiting, and one of the main characteristic symptom of a patient with a hyperthyroidism is like that of a case of tachycardia. That means increased heart rate. On examination, the heart rate can be more than 150 or above. And there is increased nervousness or fear or unreasonable anxiety, inability to sleep, great weakness or prostration, etc. may be the symptom of our patient. And during postnatal period, there is a great chance of postpartum thyroiditis or possibility of postpartum depression can be also seen in patient with a thyroid anomalies. One of the very interesting in the postnatal period is even in patient with a hyperthyroid, the same may become a hypothyroid after delivery. That means from hyper to hypothyroid condition can be seen. In such condition, the poor lactation may be the PC of our patient. So while dealing or while treating with our thyroid patient, especially in pregnancy or after delivery, we have to closely observe or closely screen our patient regarding the status of the thyroid, because we may think that, or the patient may think that she is in hyperthyroid, so she has to continue the medicine. But at the same time, the hyperthyroid status may automatically transfer into a hypothyroid one. So there is a great a tricky screening or a tricky follow-up is very essential in such patients. During menopausal period, there is a great feeling of mood swings or depression of spirit, always wants to be lie down, or sensation of hot flushes over, then unreasonable weight gain or bone pain, or there may be complaints of dryness of the skin, etc. may be the symptom of our patient. So during postnatal period or in period with a pregnancy, especially in hyperthyroid, unreasonable fear, unreasonable anxiety, great prostration, hot flushes, increased heart rate, great emaciation, and after a period the hyperthyroid state may converted into a hypothyroid one, then depression of spirits or mood swings or the symptoms like that of bipolar disease. That means various levels of psychological manifestation can also be seen in patient with thyroid one. And in menopause one, there is great depression, then increased weight gain, bone pain, then dryness of skin, etc. may be the PC of our patient. So all these are the very clinically proved, clinically verified symptom of our patient with thyroid disorders. But unfortunately, most of the cases may not be get diagnosed properly. Okay, take care. Thank you.